Okay, today we're starting work on a new build. Starting off with the kitchen. The client has decided to go for 60 by 60 porcelain tiles. We're doing the kitchen, cloak room, utility room, and downstairs WC. And upstairs bathroom. And ensuite. Okay, let's crack on. Now at the midway point, most of the full tiles have been let down. I've removed the plinths. I'll adjust them to the tiles. I'll let them set and move on to something else. Okay, I made all my cuts for the bathroom. Just got to get them laid now. Then onto the ensuite. The midway point, the ensuite. Tiles laid down. Just going to do some cuts, get it put down. And that is the bathroom complete. Grouted, sealed. That's the ensuite completed. Grouted and sealed. And that is the porch in mosaic 4 tiles completed. WC is completed. Utility room. And kitchen. Trim down the plinths, replaced them, and cloak room. Okay, that's me done.